You guys can argue with me if you want to, but I really believe that if you're using a $1 million demo account to practice, you are just playing a game. And I would share with you right now why I believe it's ruining your trading life. The truth is, yes, I know demo accounts feel safe, it's no risks and anything. But I have this question I want to ask you. If you can only afford to trade with a $10 account, what's the practical side of using a $1 million account when you know that all you can fund yourself is $10? A big demo account lets you take insane risks, right? You hold losses and wait for trades to come back because, hey, it's not real money, right? But in reality, one bad move, one poor move that you make, and your account is gone. So I believe this is why 90% of traders fail, because while they train their strategies, they forget to train their emotion. Fake money won't teach you fear, discipline, and patience. But real money, that is where you would actually learn all these things. Okay, here's the thing. I'm not actually saying you shouldn't use a demo account. I'm not against using a demo account, no. All I'm saying is, if you must use a demo account, use a realistic amount of money that you know that in real life you can fund your account with this amount. Using a $1 million demo account and an unrealistic lot size, which in real life you know that all you can fund is $5 to $10, $20. It's very unrealistic and it's not good for you in training your discipline, your patience, and your emotions. It's all around not helping you, I personally believe. Use something, even if it's to use a cent account, that you know that it is realistically what you can afford, so that when you enter the market, this will help teach you risk management. I am one of those people advocating that if you must, forget about the $1 million demo account. At least try and prove that you can double your money with small amounts. If you can double $10 to $20, $50 to $100, $100 to $500, that will really show your skill, rather than saying 500, 1,000, or $1 million demo accounts where you are using unrealistic lot size. You might not even know whether your strategy is working or not, because even if it comes to a drawdown and it goes back up, you are not sure whether it worked or not. But if you use something realistic, that is where you actually know if your skill is actually working. I really believe that a trader that can double small amount of money like $10 and the rest of them are the ones who can make it big if you actually scale up. But for you who is using a $1 million demo account, I really believe you're setting yourself up to fail and blow your account in the long run. I really believe that. I would say if you want to be a real trader, start with something small, master risks, master discipline, and then you scale up. That's how you trade, even with a demo account. Because apart from that, you're really just playing a video game right now. Okay guys, if you need help on how to set up a demo account, I'll be happy to help you with that. I already made a video on that. I'll be putting the link in my description below. You do well to check that out. I'll be leaving it down there, a link down there. Also, if you'd like to join my Telegram channel, I'll be sharing my theory and practical Forex journey this year. It's not a signal group, it's just a small group, more like a book club, where I'll be trying to share my journey on how I'm learning Forex. I'll be leaving the link there if you would like to join. It's mostly for beginners. Even if you're a professional and you would like to come in and just meet new people, why not? Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you on the next one.